And then last but not least, this is the Lifehouse graphic novel. You can see Lifehouse graphic novel right there. This is the front of it. Really cool artwork. And then inside is what you would expect to see from a graphic novel. You can see it's telling stories. This is the beginning of chapter 3. Anyhow, so it's a graphic novel that accompanies this whole set. So again, this and the other book, are big and heavy. I don't know how much they weigh. They're probably a good 3, 4, 5 pounds each. Maybe not that much, but anyhow, they're heavy. And if you're storing this, and if you store it flat, you want to make sure you store heavy books down so they don't crush what else is inside. So that's all. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them. I'm happy to open things up and look at them further. If you want me to, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.